Hi, it's Mike Kellum, Operations Manager at Gananoque Chev for the week of April 13th. Just wanted to check in and give everyone an update on the things that are currently happening here at the dealership. I first of all wanted to start off by saying thanks so much to our staff who have throughout this difficult time continued to push forward and adapt in these difficult times. It's been very impressive to see everyone kind of take control of the new way we have to do business and make it successful in its own way. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank very much the frontline workers, healthcare workers, grocery stores, gas stations, truck drivers, all the people whose lives have been affected in that they have to go to work still every day to make sure that the rest of us are safe and have what we need as we go forward in this uncertain time. So thanks very much for that. As far as Gananoque Chev is concerned, our building does remain closed to the public. We close the building so that customers will not come in contact with staff and staff not with customers. It makes it much easier for social distancing. So as we were operating before, when you come to the dealership, you check in at the front door or check in at our self-serve kiosk. Your vehicle will be brought into the shop, serviced, and you'll be notified when it's finished. This allows for a contactless or virtually contactless experience here at the dealership. But our waiting room is closed to the public still. We do also have our pickup and delivery service, something that we've always had. However, we have actually ramped that up for this time, so we're actually able to offer more pickup and delivery than ever before, which is very important for all those people who want a truly contactless service experience, which we are able to offer. Our sales department has gone fully online. Our website is updated daily with new vehicles, used vehicles, plus all of the latest General Motors programs for new cars, as well as the opportunity to do an online credit application, inquire online through text, chat, or email directly with a salesperson or sales manager. You can pretty much do a deal right from start to finish on our website, even get approved for credit, and we can send you the paperwork online as well and deliver the vehicle to your home. General Motors has also introduced the GM Hero bonus on for a limited time for first responders. It's up to $1,000 off a new GM vehicle. And finally, we would also like to extend our own discount for essential workers, which is half-price tire storage for our tire season. So anyone who has tires that they'd like to get changed over and stored with us, we're doing it for half price. Thanks very much, and everyone continue to be safe. And have a great day from the team at Gan Chev. Thanks.